It was morning and we were hungover from the night before. Well, at least I was. And a good cure for a hangover is a good hike. Sugarcane was ripe for the harvest and folks from the small community were out in the fields. Some of the crew decided to go while others went fishing. The trail winds through the irrigated terraces. Manioc, yams, sugarcane, and someone spotted this mean critter. They can deliver a nasty, painful bite. Little Paloma came with us, with just flip-flops. She trotted along, following the tribe. She wasn't hungover. We had no idea where we were going except we'd be going up into the mountains. Apparently, Paloma takes this trail every day back and forth to go to school, and adults do as well to get supplies at the store. We were still not sure where we were going until we got to this family's home. We would stop back on the way down. We were assigned a guide, the young man in a red shirt named Diego, strutting ahead, leading us on, with just flip-flops and a bandaged ankle. I'm glad I had proper shoes on in the crumbling rocks. A long part of the path was along, or rather on, a water conduit about 50 centimeters wide, or a narrow footpath, quite different from the donkey highways of the north coast. No donkeys here hauling goods, but women.
And these ladies are carrying these huge bags on their heads with this path. And we're like just walking around with backpacking. Holy shit. Man, I'll never complain again when I see that. Damn pussy compared to these women. Holy shit. Wow. Look at this view. Wow. Those badass women walked on this trail here with flip-flops. I don't know, like at least 20 kilos of stuff on their heads, whatever it was. Holy shit, they're pretty brave.
Brave indeed, and tough. As is our young guide, Diego, hopping along like a mountain gazelle, in simple flip-flops and a bandaged ankle, I repeat. Even Peixe was impressed. And after about 3 hours, we arrived here. There are no fresh water springs on the island of San Vicente, and this was our chance to take advantage of a cool shower and a choice place to fly the drone. I wanted to fly it up high to get the full scope of this Eden, but I had no GPS coverage, and it indicated that I could fly it remotely. Because of that, it would not go high enough, so I landed it and changed the setting to go higher. That was the last time I saw the drone. What you see here is what was recorded on the phone, and not the best quality.
So the drone era seems to have come to a close. In this valley here, I had no GPS control, so I was flying it. And then all of a sudden, lost control and I just took off. And I couldn't bring it back and it landed there. Right up there. Now, to get there, I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask one of the locals if they can help out. So anyways, that's what happens when you're flying a drone. It's cool when it works well. It sucks when you lose it.
And it was pretty much impassable to go and fetch it perched up there. That was that. Back at the house, the family had prepared food, and we were starving. It was a good consolation to be with friendly folks. And the crew was together again. They were sorry for me and I was bummed. Not for the drone so much, but for the great shots that I missed. Oh well, you win some and you lose some. Screw it, I'll enjoy the moment and chew on sugarcane like everyone else. Sure, the landscape is beautiful from a bird's eye view, but people are much better seen face to face and up close, especially beautiful people such as here on land. It was time to hike back down before the sunset. Tomorrow we will head back to Mindelo. We will be sailing upwind, which is said to be a challenge, but we got Peixe and Vlaus as crew. And anyways, that little insect made me super nervous. It stressed me out before, when, and after I flew it. Good riddance. I feel relieved. And relieved to see that Galopin was patiently waiting for us. Tonight, all we wanted was to rest our aching bodies.
Well, it's been pretty amazing here in Waterfall with Peixe and Vlaus and all the gang. Even though I lost my drone, but there's a chance we may be coming back and we may be able to get it. Get some climbing rope and we'll try to fetch it. Getting ready to go. Crew members, Vlaus, Natasha. Pulling up anchor. Peixe and Vlaus helping out. Okay, so goodbye Waterfall for now. We will be back since I left my drone here. Maybe it's an omen that I have to come back here. People here are just too sweet, too nice, too wonderful, generous and everything. And hopefully Peixe will come with me too. Back to Mindelo, but we have to go upwind, and according to Peische's suggestion, since he is from here, I think it's a good idea to follow his suggestion, is to go upwind with the motor along the coast and then cross over, because that's the best way to go. So I trust Peixe. He knows what he's doing. He's from here. And plus, you know, thinks we're going to try to catch a dorada or a mahi-mahi. We'll see.
We hugged the coast and did manage to catch a fish. Our crew was -2 from the way down. Johnny and Camille drove north to the ferry and then sailed across. Vlaus had something to say about that.
Johnny, t'as compris ce qu'il a dit? Désolé, mais c'est comme ça.
I thought we could hoist the sails and head across. Peixe said, "You're the captain." It was sarcastic, with good reason. We could not keep heading to Mindelo, so we had to tack 5 times to follow the coast upwind before even thinking of crossing the channel.
So we've got the sails up and a stumperot. Cheers. It's sporty, there's like 20 knots of wind. ¿Cuántos nudos de wind? 20. 20 knots of wind, apparent, so that's good. Going upwind, we're doing a little zigzagging to get across from this island, Santa Antao, to São Vicente. Following Peiche's suggestions to just hug the coast as much as possible, so we did with the motor, and now we've been doing it with sails and kind of tacking back and forth, and soon we're going to tack and cut across, and Peiche is doing well. I like him, man, he's a sailor. Poor Natasha, she had to try, and we ended up tacking accidentally, so it was a little strong. We'll give her a try again, not a problem, that's how you learn. Peixe is a natural though. And Vlaus, that dude can hold his liquor like I've never seen before. Now it's smooth sailing. We did the hard part coming up the coast, tacking a few times. Now we're cutting across. Smooth sailing. Waves aren't too big up here. About 16 to 20 knots of wind. Tout droit.
We made our final tack and headed northeast under a comfortable beam reach. Peixe was right. He had known just when to make the turn. Advice for all sailors out there: listen to local intelligence. We were back at sunset. Peixe helped me anchor in my favorite spot, which was still available, and we celebrated with a few more stumperot.
It was good. And now we're back here and it's like nothing happened. Yeah, enjoying a stumperot.
Nice trip, good crew, good captain, good people.
Yeah, bom viagem não fazer. Sapa, tudo tranquilo, tudo suave.
And Natasha? Good. Natasha is finally speaking English.
This was definitely one of the best and coolest cruise ever on Galapan.